Hello and welcome to Excel Dynamic Arrays Beginner to Expert course. I'm Leila. I'm a Microsoft Excel MVP and a best-selling Excel instructor. This course is about the new Office 365 dynamic array functions and Excel's new calculation engine. It will show you how to take advantage of the power of dynamic arrays to create better spreadsheets with simple formulas. If I could wrap up this new update in just one sentence, I'd say complex data analysis is now accessible to everyone and not just advanced Excel users. You're going to be able to create reports that seem very complex to set up, but you're going to be using simple formulas that are now available to all of us. Now here's the thing, the way we've been using normal formulas has also changed with Excel's calculation engine. These changes impact everyone who uses Excel 365 version, so beginners to advanced users. If you're rather new to Excel, you've only been using it for a few months, this knowledge will make using Excel so much easier. If you're an advanced Excel user, these changes are going to majorly improve the way you're going to be using Excel going forward. Now, having said that, please note that this course is not an introduction to Excel. It's all about dynamic arrays. So if you're brand new to Excel, you will need an Excel Basics course first, because it does require you to have experience with formulas like the sum function, if, and VLOOKUP. By the end of this course, you're going to be able to set up interactive reports that weren't easily possible in legacy Excel. So for example, you're going to learn to create interactive tabular reports, loan amortization reports, top performance dashboards like top 5 products, and even a dynamic calendar. To make sure you get the most out of the course in the least amount of time possible, I split the course into 3 main modules: Dynamic Array Beginner, Advanced, and Expert. Not everyone needs to do complex data analysis or set up tricky reports. Your job might require you to have basic Excel knowledge, or you may need to set up really complex dashboards. This way you can achieve the level that you feel is right for you and for your work. In the beginner sections, we cover the fundamentals like what the new dynamic array functions are, how normal Excel formulas and features are impacted, compatibility, and impact on spreadsheet performance. In the advanced and expert sections, we're going to be covering the theory behind Excel's calculation engine. Now, this is a topic that's generally not covered in other Excel courses. It's going to help you unlock the potential of Excel formulas in general, so not just the new dynamic array formulas. Along the way, you're going to have many exercises and challenges to test your understanding, along with built-in quizzes. You'll also have PDF course notes for you to reference anytime. So let's get started.